Everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. This is just a quick video to show you a freebie that I'm giving to you. After a whole bunch of requests, you guys love this book that I found in a yard sale as much as I do, and I love that you love it. It's just fun to share your finds with other people. And you all asked me to make a kit out of it. I really didn't want to do that because this book is so fragile. I don't want to put it in my scanner and have to press it down and mess with it too much. It is over 200 years old. So I'm not going to do a full-blown kit, but I am going to give you a freebie of some of these pages. I showed the book in a little more detail in a previous video. So I did scan in a few pages. The pages are available. There's just 4 pages. They're available in my Flickr account, which I have the link below. So here's the first page. I love this one. It actually did have a dried flower. So that's over 200 years old. It had a dried flower in the book, so I just left it in there and scanned more of a blank page for you, because it's always nice to have some pages with a lot on it and some pages with room for your own journaling. So that's number 1. On the flip side, I thought you might like the collage of poetry that they put into the book. And these print out, this book is kind of an odd size. Obviously, I don't think 8.5 by 11 was the standard back then. So these print out at, I think it was, excuse me, 9.5 by 7.5. Yeah, they print out at 9.5 by 7.5. I just wanted to keep it original to what the book is. So that's page 2. And then I did give you one of the pages that had all of the accounting on it. If you didn't see the video, and I made sure there was a date on it too. So this page is from 1804. If you didn't see the video, this appears to be a farmer's accounts book. And so I did want to give you one that had some of the accounting on it and had a date. And then the last page is just a blank page with just a little bit of scribble on it. I like to print these blank pages, ones like this and this, on the back side, because when I do digital kits, when I print digital kits for my own use, I don't like having the white on the back. So if you throwing things all over the place. This French textiles kit that I'm still working on. You may remember that I gave you in the kit a back side. So that's typically what I do, is I'll print the image on one side and then try to have some kind of a blank or a patinaed page on the other side. So that's what you can do with these 4 pages if you like. You can print that on one side and then kind of the blank on the other. And they're JPEG, so you can resize them to whatever size you like. Okay, so that was just a quick freebie for you. Thank you for asking. I love, love, love when people make requests, because I pretty much just sit here and do what I love all day in my studio, but I want to be a service to you. I want to know what you're interested in, what your needs are. There are a ton of people doing these kind of videos, but there are gaps in knowledge, like the vintage tape video that I did the other day. You know, there's still room for coming up with original things, and there still might be some things that you need to know about or want to know about. So I love your comments and questions. Thank you so much for loving this book as much as I do and asking for it. So here it is. You can go find it in Flickr below. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy this. Bye.